Far beyond the reaches of Earth, past the swirling red storms of Jupiter and the majestic rings of Saturn, lies a world of ice and gas, Uranus. And orbiting this distant tilted giant is a moon so strange, so violently scarred, that astronomers have compared it to a jigsaw puzzle shattered and glued back together. This is Miranda, the Frankenstein moon of Uranus, a small frozen satellite that should have been forgotten, yet holds secrets that could rewrite what we know about planetary moons. Miranda, the bizarre moon of Uranus. To understand Miranda, we first need to zoom out, way out, to Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. It's an icy gas giant with a pale cyan color thanks to methane in its atmosphere and a strange tilt, spinning almost completely on its side. Uranus is orbited by 27 known moons, most of them named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Among these mysterious companions is Miranda, discovered in 1948 by astronomer Gerard Kuiper. At just 470 kilometers across, Miranda is tiny, about 1/7 the size of our moon. But don't let its size fool you. What it lacks in mass, it makes up for in mystery. In January 1986, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft flew past Uranus, becoming the only mission to ever visit the planet and its moons up close. As Voyager beamed back its images, scientists couldn't believe what they saw. Miranda wasn't just another icy moon. It was something else. Its surface looked like a cosmic patchwork quilt, filled with gigantic canyons, strange ridges, cliffs taller than the Grand Canyon, and terrain that looked like it had been torn apart and crudely stitched back together. It was one of the most geologically diverse objects ever seen in the outer solar system, and still is to this day. Miranda's surface is a chaotic jigsaw of huge ridges, grooves, craters, and cliffs. Its most famous feature, a colossal cliff called Verona Rupes, possibly the tallest known cliff in the solar system. How tall? Try up to 20 kilometers high. That's more than twice the height of Mount Everest. If you fell off Verona Rupes, it would take you over 10 minutes to hit the ground. Assuming you survived the fall, of course. But that's not all. Miranda also has bizarre features called coronae, oval-shaped, raised regions with ridges and valleys. These look like scars from violent internal forces trying to reshape the moon from within. The weird thing? Miranda is so small that it shouldn't be geologically active at all. So what's going on? Astronomers have proposed two major theories to explain Miranda's Frankenstein surface. Theory 1. Catastrophic disruption. At some point in the distant past, Miranda may have shattered completely due to a massive impact. Then, gravity pulled the pieces back together, creating the haphazard terrain we see today. Think about that. A moon exploding, then reassembling itself like a broken puzzle. Wild, right? Theory 2. Tidal heating. Another idea involves tidal forces, gravitational interactions with Uranus and its other moons. If Miranda was once in a more elliptical orbit, the constant squeezing and stretching could have heated its interior, causing internal upwelling and surface reshaping, similar to what we see on Jupiter's volcanic moon Io. Both theories have merit, but with limited data from a single flyby, we just don't know for sure. So why should we care about this strange, icy moon floating 3 billion kilometers away. Because Miranda might be the key to understanding how small worlds evolve. It defies our expectations, suggesting that even the tiniest moons can have dramatic geological histories. And if a little moon like Miranda can harbor internal heat or show signs of resurfacing, what about subsurface oceans? Could there have been, or still be, the ingredients for life hidden beneath the icy crust? We're just scratching the surface of what's out there. Today, Miranda sits in the deep freeze of the outer solar system, silent and alone. But it's not forgotten. Scientists have called for new missions to Uranus, and perhaps one day a spacecraft will return to Miranda to answer the burning questions left behind by Voyager nearly 4 decades ago. Until then, Miranda remains a cosmic enigma, a moon that shouldn't be active, but is. A broken world that rebuilt itself, a tiny moon that challenges our biggest ideas. In the silence of space, Miranda whispers, "There's still so much more to discover." If you enjoyed this deep dive into Miranda, the bizarre moon of Uranus, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more journeys into the mysteries of our solar system. What should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep wondering.